You believe that?
I never know that.
Yeah, man.
So some come out of the ashes.
Yeah, man. Ashes is like salt. So that's why you get a better flavor from it more than when you use the gas. I mean, we have not use the gas. You have in here now. I mean, have me selling the coal, we just use it.
Mm-hmm.
When they have the gas. So when I have the gas, when I really to make it bother me.
Now look at cursing out on that.
Yeah, that's the first thing. Yeah. You can't just use pure paper, but never take up the time.
We could talk about some tea. Not the morning. What kind of tea you like drink?
They laugh, but I'm not laughing after you. We're laughing about the tea. Because the, the thing about tea that me drink all kind of tea. Sounds funny, but I will just get up like this man and just put up a lime and just make some lime tea.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
All right.
And you get up tomorrow morning and I don't feel for any tea in the morning.
Mm-hmm.
But lay down going up into 11 o'clock I will drink maybe 2 or 3 cups of tea.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little mint or the men have no favorite tea, but me drink enough tea. So.
What's the Cersei tea good for?
Cersei is mostly for belly, you know. Most people drink Cersei, but Cersei is just mostly like if you have pain in the tummy. But Cersei don't really definitely, as far as me use it, I know. You take it and you make tea.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it. You can't make tea, but like I say, you ever use it for a complaint,
Mm-hmm.
mostly for belly. Because too much of it is not good.
Yeah, so let me pick the green part out, not the whole root. Somebody tell me say you have to pick the whole height.
Mm-hmm.
Just a portion height.
Mm-hmm.
And it good for cook that.
To cook? You cook it, but you cook the thing that blossom on the pan.
Okay.
So then come in, you have it here plenty too. But you know, only love sensitive. You just love, make me love it with milk.